Today is Friday. Actually, it's after midnight now. It's Saturday, April 25th, 2026, and it's about 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and it's pouring rain right now. There's this patio light there. It's pouring rain. Well, it's not pouring as hard now. It's not pouring as hard now, but it was pouring really hard. I'll focus in on the puddles there. I don't know if you can see the puddles over here. Let's see. My patio. There's the puddles there. You see the rain hitting. I'll take the camera out. Oh no, the camera's gonna get all wet. So I guess I will. Now I'm getting wet. Okay, I don't think you can see very much because it's nighttime, and even with the patio light on with the rain. So I'm gonna say good night. Have a good weekend. Bye now. Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan, and today is Friday, or Saturday. It's after midnight and Saturday, April 25th, 2026. It was Friday. Now it's Saturday. A little past 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Okay, have a good night. Bye.